Hello and welcome back. This week was actually a pretty tame week for me. Now it actually started off kind of rough with a couple bad Microsoft entries, but I killed it on every play I posted to YouTube, so that was great. And the 10K account is officially over 25K, which is perfect timing because I happen to get a PDT flag this week. So I'm actually considering a couple big changes to the show format now that I can actually day trade with the 10K account, and we will talk about that at the end of the video. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So my first couple trades this week, as I mentioned, were dumb. I went for a PCS on Microsoft during that tech route that really didn't work out. Now Microsoft has had a lot of support in the 205 range that I've been able to play off for some bullish entries probably about a half dozen times now. But when price broke under 205 this last time, not only did I not wait for confirmation of reversal, I opened another PCS after stopping out of the first one and predictably lost more money. After that, I was actually able to turn the week around by absolutely crushing earnings. Some of the highlights were work. It's almost like investors are surprised when this company that's never generated any earnings doesn't generate any earnings. And GameStop. The reality is this company's been on a highway to doo-doo town for the last 7 years. All of my other plays were just put credit spreads on solid companies I did YouTube videos on. So pretty solid week overall. The biggest miss was just that Microsoft play I was being way too stubborn on. Other than that, we were 100% for all of our earnings plays. Now, make sure to subscribe so you can get my plays as soon as they're available. Most of them are only actionable for about 1 or 2 days after I upload the YouTube video. So you're gonna wanna know the second they come out. Now, the change to the channel you've been waiting to hear about. Now that I can actually day trade with this account, I think probably a couple times a week, I'm going to start streaming pre-market. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my scalping strategies. The problem when you try to teach people scalping strategies is you are in and out of a scalp so fast, it's really difficult for people to follow what you did and why you did it. Now, if I do it on stream, it'll make a little bit more sense. And the stream is going to be focused on scalping small cap stocks. Finally, if you need a good broker, source of stock market news, or a source of options flow, check the referral links down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.